We could have had like time or come up here. Yeah. Thank you. I don't think we're going to.
Sorry, we're with them.
You're fine.
Cutter!
We apologize.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys feeling comfortable, like to come down, if you do hit this button, we will let you down.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
There's a ladder and you just climb down.
You can climb down. Okay, that's that bungee. Actually, isn't that bungee?
Does the fire department help us? No. They can take them out there.
If you get freaked out, you can really push him making us jealous.
This button right here.
Don't stop everything.
All for you. Don't be that person.
Yeah.
To do what? Press the button? Don't press the button.
Christina, probably no one's ever done it, so don't. You know, whatever.
It's got cobwebs growing on it.
Not so. Does she walk all the way down?
Yeah. Under the bridge. The bridge that she likes.
Hey, at least we don't have the one with the see-through floor.
Yeah.
Remember that one?
What? There's one with the floor you can see.
Oh, that would be really cool.
Hi.
Yeah, it's
Come on, once it gets blowing, I think.
yes. My hands are pretty cold, but.
Why did you look at me when he said that too?
So what?
You get uncomfortable, you just push the button and we'll bring it on down.
They know.
Look right at me. See how much?
Hunter's arm's gonna hit.
Have you ever been on one of these?
No, I don't like heights.
Hey, okay, let me tell you this. I don't like heights either, and you don't, like, literally, it's awesome.
All is close. You cannot fall out.
Look down.
Just look down.
Look down. You'll be good.
What?
Do not even
Why
start
don't you go in the middle?
moving around here. Send your hands down.
Look at this view, Christina. This is what makes it.
Just pay attention more to the view than anything.
Look, it's held in with zip ties. That's very nice.
Wait, why are we stopping? Why are we stopping?
We're not. We're still going.
We're not stopping.
You're fine. You're fine. Look out. Yeah.
Look, we're almost at the top.
I look for Kim.
Christina,
almost at
look
the
where
top.
you wait, right there.
Our condo is over there, Christina.
Yay!
How far?
Hey, Mark.
Pretty far. You can run
I
it.
don't like this. Look at us.
Okay, you're on the way down. That's number one. You get 3 loops.
Oh, I'll be 3.
Look, we were the last ones to get on the...
Oh. The musical? Close. Look at that way. Close.
I'm gonna hit it.
He was shaking his head.
Was he really?
Yeah, he was like this.
Tell by the look at it.
Oh, he's not looking.
Look what held on by. Look at them zip ties. Zip ties. Seriously.
Just think, if that would ever happen, all the fun you were having right before.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And you roll out into the ocean.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You get ate by sharks.
you do.
Yeah, it's not this one that's gonna fall. We're just gonna roll into the ocean.
Both of us will get eaten by a shark.
Okay. Alright, are we good now? We get
No,
off?
we got one more.
Get her
We're
off
going
before
4
she
times.
panics.
Maybe 4 times.
Because they put everybody else off.
Yeah, they're not gonna let her off first.
Dude! What's he doing?
That was good, dude!
Accident.
No, James probably doesn't want your number. Oh,
Hope you guys enjoy. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Her face.
Run, the 2 of them.
It's about this big around.
Oh, thank you.
How's the time?
Maybe it licked your ass or
And then there's just Hunter being Hunter.
We just went to get some water. I don't know how
What do you think of it, Christina?
I like it.
Without a star, free, we just wanna be free. We huddle close, hang on to a dream. On the boats and on the planes, they're coming to America, never looking back again. They're coming to America, everywhere around the world. They're coming to America, every time that flags unfurled. They're coming to America, they're coming to America, they're coming to America, they're coming to America, they're coming to America today. My country's is indeed sweet land liberty. The IC, the IC. All the world so easy to see.
And so, my governor, ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country.
We need like 3.
She's got 3.
Okay.
That's it? Just 3? For now.
We're gonna do more tomorrow.
Should have 4, but the Easter Bunny has 3 feet.
We have something to their window at this point.
Honestly, we should do one thing out here right now.
What one
Like
thing?
something that's like one dish.
Oh. Leave them with Snickers.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get it.
Yeah, leave them a box of donuts.
No.
Oh, that's so
Leave them a
stupid.
box of donuts.
Those are the ends.
There's plenty in there. You can just do one with the bunny.
Let's get a. Do we have a small container? Or do you
Put it
wanna
in
just
here.
Take them all out.
The bunny.
Put those in here.
You a bunny rabbit? Wiggle your
Wait a
nose.
minute. Wait. Are they gonna, like, are bugs gonna form?
It's gonna be
You don't have
covered.
to eat it.
No, I'm not saying they're gonna eat it. I'm just saying it's
Where did you get those?
There we go.
So take one bite.
Take one bite out of it. Yes. Why can't I have herpes? Up to the door or right where the...
Right there. Oh no, right there. Yeah.
know Sharpie. Oh, yeah. And just took a bite of it. Took a bite of it? I wanted to take a bite, but I didn't want to give her herpes.
From Kathy.
I sent Kathy a note saying if you guys are up and you want to have a laugh, stop over and see us. And then I told her I had news for the newsletter. The Myrtle's ran out of toilet paper, and so he had to make an emergency run to blow your nose. So she sent back, we've already changed for bed. You should have come here for toilet paper. We would have taken care of you. And I sent back 12 rolls since Sunday. So we'll see you tomorrow. She sent back, haha, guess I could say the Myrtles are a shitty bunch.